If you use Microsoft Office, here's a quick setting that can make your workflow feel a lot cleaner and easier to control. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the mini toolbar when you select text or objects in Microsoft Office. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference if you want quicker formatting access or if you find pop-up tools distracting while you work. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Office tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open any Microsoft Office app such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Once the program is open, look to the top left corner and click the File tab. This will take you into the Backstage menu where you can access the main application settings. From the File menu, click Options. This opens the Options window, which is where you can change different preferences for how Microsoft Office behaves on your computer. In this window, you'll see several categories on the left side. Now click the General tab. This is where many of the basic interface and user experience settings are stored. Once you're in the General section, look through the available options until you find the setting called Show Mini Toolbar on Selection. This is the option that controls whether the mini toolbar appears when you highlight text or select an item. If you want Microsoft Office to show the mini toolbar automatically, make sure the box is checked. If you prefer not to see it, simply uncheck the box to hide it. A checked box means the mini toolbar will appear when you make a selection, giving you quick access to common formatting tools like font changes, bold, italic, and more. An unchecked box means the toolbar will stay hidden, which can be helpful if you want a cleaner screen or fewer distractions while editing. Once you've chosen the setting you want, click OK to save your changes. That's it. Your preference will now be applied and the mini toolbar will show or hide based on the setting you selected. If you ever want to change it again later, just come back to File, then Options, then General, and adjust the same checkbox. It only takes a few seconds and it gives you a little more control over how Microsoft Office feels while you work. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more easy Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.